Will AI take your job? Honestly, yes, unless you shift the way you're thinking right now. I'm Adam Leipzig. I have led big teams through massive tech changes and transformations, and here's what I know. AI is not optional. It's here right now. It's accelerating. So follow along and let's talk about how to not just survive AI, like survive it, but how about thrive in AI? A lot of jobs have already been eliminated. The car eliminated the horse and buggy. I actually can't wait until my personal car is eliminated and I can just take Waymo everywhere. So a lot of jobs have been collapsed. Coding, editing, VFX, they're all collapsed and transformed in the workflow to a single click. But the people who are using AI to collapse those things into a single click, the people who are using AI to leverage their creativity, to leverage their creative output, their production output, those are the people who are being promoted. Those are the people who are having the new jobs. And new jobs are actually being created that are better than, higher paid than, more interesting than a lot of the jobs that have already been eliminated, because the jobs that were eliminated were a little bit more rote and routine, and the jobs that are being created now to actually lead and direct AI are more interesting and, frankly, very creative jobs. Our job is to lead the tools, not to follow the tools, to make the tools, and to really make our data sets. Let's talk about data and what AI is, because AI runs on data. And if you've been following large language models and like ChatGPT and Perplexity and the others, they have been built on large data sets. And in fact, they have already eaten up and ingested pretty much all of the available data that there already is. So they are now starting to continue to train on synthetic data. That's data that they make, that they take by ingesting and recombining existing data, and they create synthetic data, and then they keep training themselves on that. So what's the problem with that? It sort of becomes like ingrown hereditary genetic problems. It creates more data errors. It creates more model drift. It creates more situations where the AI is going to become less and less accurate the more it ingests and uses synthetic data. And even though there will be AIs on top of that to try to correct for it, it's not perfect. So what can you really do? The future is not really about AGI, artificial general intelligence. It is about artificial specific intelligence, specific deep niche data sets. That means you are a data creator. You are your data. The things that you create in your creative output, that is all data. Own your data. Own your creativity. And that data set that you are creating, own it, code it, algorithmize it, model it, and deploy it, and use it, and profit from it. That's how we thrive in the age of AI. We're all capable of doing it. Nobody was born with an inherent capacity to use AI. It's something that we are all doing and learning right now. I am so curious to know how you are using AI right now, and you are, because something like 75% of all the emails that fly around the universe now are written by AI or touched by AI at some point. So I'm curious, what are you using in AI? What are you doing? How is it working for you? How is it not working for you? What would you like to see it do? And have you started to create your own AIs and engineer your own prompts and algorithms to implement higher capacity for your work and your creativity? Let me know.